Oh my god. My best friend's dead. My girlfriend's dead. What are we gonna do, Alex? What are we gonna do, Alex? What are you gonna do? We're gonna die. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna die. Yeah, we're gonna die. Definitely. We are gonna die. We're gonna die happily. We're gonna die happily. Let's be all call my friend. Oh god. Oh god, here they come. I gotta run. Why do I have to be in the worst spot? Why do I have to be in the worst spot? Well, I hate being last in line. This is the worst experience ever. I gotta run. Oh god. Oh god. In here. It's not gonna hold them all. Come on, Alex, think. Think, Alex, think. Think, Alex. You're right, Alex. Think. 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 Oh god. Oh, not in here, not in here. 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 Come on. Not in here. Not in here. Not in here. Okay. Okay, not in here. In here. In here. Okay. Oh god. Alright. Oh god. Wow, more coming? Huh? Bring it! Come on. Come on. You guys, you can't take me. You guys cannot take me. I'm too strong for you. Oh god. Oh god. Here they all come. Here they all come.